Hey guys, let's see how to turn on the ringer on an iPhone 11. The first thing that I can check is the physical part. There's a button just right here that you can turn on the ringer. So you just take a look. If you see this red part, that means it's off. The ringer is off. You just need to move. There we go. And now it's on. That's the first thing that you can try. And you can also check the do not disturb mode. You see here the symbol for do not disturb mode. Just come here and check if it's not in this way, right? So I just tap on it and it's no longer in do not disturb mode right now. You see it's in focus mode. Then I'm good to go. And the third thing that you can check is in the settings. You come down in here, you see sounds and haptics. And from here, you can just control the volume of the ringtone. Just like this. Okay, double check the volume here, and you can also change the type of ringtone that you want. And that's the way you can just check and turn on the ringer on your iPhone 11. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.